I mean, oh hell no. Oh, oh, yo, why was that? Why was that scary? Why was that scary?
Oh, hell no!
Yo, he did that the lunge. Hold on, he did that was spooky. Y'all, let me run it back. Let me run back that lunge. Like imagine staring at somebody and they do the lunge like that. That's scary. Like oh no. Look at the lunge though. Look at the lunge though. The lunge though. Oh shit. Yo, tell me that's not scary. Tell me that lunge ain't scary. One more time. That lunge. I'm gonna have to clip this. Oh, look at the lunge. Look. You're on the train by yourself. Look at the lunge. That little movement is scary as fuck.